In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and share on Excel. Saving your Excel file to the cloud is one of the easiest ways to protect your work and make sharing much simpler. It also helps you keep your file updated automatically, so you do not have to worry as much about losing recent changes. I will walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along in just a moment. Start by going to the top right corner of the Excel window and clicking the Share button. This is often the fastest way to begin saving a workbook that you want to store online and share with other people later. If you do not want to use that button, there is another way to get to the same place. You can go to File and then choose Save As. Both options will help you begin the process of saving your Excel file to the cloud. After that, select your OneDrive or SharePoint account. This step tells Excel where you want the file to be stored online. Choosing one of these cloud locations is important because it allows your workbook to be accessed more easily across devices and makes collaboration much smoother. If you work on multiple computers or if you need to send the file to someone else, saving it in one of these locations is usually the best option. Next, enter a name for your file and click Save. Try to choose a file name that is clear and easy to recognize later. This can save time when you need to find the workbook again, especially if you create a lot of spreadsheets. Once you click Save, the file will be stored in your selected cloud account. There is also a helpful bonus here. As soon as the workbook is saved to OneDrive or SharePoint, autosave turns on automatically. That means Excel will save every change you make in real time while you work. This is especially useful if you are making frequent edits because it reduces the chance of losing progress. It also makes collaboration easier when a shared file is being updated regularly. That is the full process. Click Share or go to File and Save As. Choose your OneDrive or SharePoint account, name the file, and click Save. Once that is done, autosave will handle your changes automatically. That covers everything you need to know.